This is the Blues Travelers, a family of 5 living in their RV, traveling the United States looking for adventure. They were chosen to be on RV makeover. They will leave their RV for 3 days while our crew performs all of the work. Will they love it or leave it? Dustin and Sarah gave our team a list of ideas that they want. It's up to our team to see if they can pull it off and stay within the budget. Sarah's a tech mogul and Dustin's a Disney Imagineer. They have a budget of $134.
All right, we definitely got our work cut out for us.
Yeah, they left us with a $134 budget. That's gonna be tough.
Yeah, I think we can do it.
I think so too. If anyone can do it, it's us.
Yeah. Do you got any ideas, D-Money?
I actually do.
Oh, nice. Okay, so we're right here at the front door. And now here's the table and the benches that we're at right now. We're gonna leave all the tabletop and bench tops, but we have to paint the underside.
Okay. Brighten them up a little.
Yeah, not too much work. You talked to Dustin about that.
Yeah, he said their barn door is really heavy and it actually damaged some of the wood up here that holds it up.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna head down to the local hardware store and see if I can find a different door that'll work here.
All right, so then let's move over to the TV fireplace area.
Okay.
Now, this whole thing is gonna be tossed to the curb.
Gone. Okay, so we are getting rid of the TV, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
We are gonna keep the fireplace, but we're gonna tweak it a little bit.
All right.
Kind of add a little Shazam in there.
Okay, and this is gonna add a lot more countertop space, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And that was definitely something that Sarah wanted. She wanted more counter space. I don't really know why. I feel like the RVs kind of have a lot of counter space.
They do, but she really loves cooking for her husband.
Yeah.
And she wanted more space to do so.
I hear her.
So we should accommodate.
Yes. And then all of this is going to stay the same, except we're going to paint them white.
Oh.
Or just a little shade off white.
White
so
cabinets, okay.
There's cabinets above here, and we're just going to paint them white.
Okay, okay. I'm going to let you pick the color palette, because you're great at that.
Thank you, yep.
I'd end up screwing that up.
Yeah, one way or another.
Yeah, I'd find a way.
And then, you know, we'll just put in some frills and gills in there, and I think we can do this.
All right, S Money, let's get to work.
All right, RV makeover. Hey there, Dustin, what you got going on?
Oh, hey, Sarah. We're just revamping their TV area. We've opened up to a lot more real estate back in here, and we're just gonna move some of these wires around. Oh, psych. No, we're just gonna remove this shelving area, get the wires put down here. We'll have them set up and ready to go. I think they're gonna love it. Basically adjustable. You put it wherever you want it. That looks good. Yeah. How do you guys feel about everything?
I'm nervous. I'm excited too. I hope that they stay with our coolness.
I'm nervous. I'm excited. My mind is going a mile an hour.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just hope that they can match our awesomeness level.
Yeah.
And just keep on par with that.
I really hope that they listened to us in what we wanted and didn't want. I really want the TV out of there. I like the tones that we gave them. We gave them about 12 different color tones, and I hope that they use all of them.
We really like the open shelving look. What was your inspiration for all of this?
I kind of really like the Aztec-y mixed with glamour and glitz combo.
I wanted a classy look with some leather-bound books, some rich mahogany maybe, something along those lines.
Yeah, I like that too. Yeah. Some bling here, bling there with, I don't know, some
Victorian mixed in there.
Yeah.
I mean, I'd like to see what they come up with. They seem really brilliant, and they got a lot of great ideas, a lot of experience, you can tell. So we're really excited to see what they do with it.
Yeah. Any more brain busters? Well, our pantry glass broke. Just trying to get the last little bit off. Working on our final project before the big reveal. We have about 45 minutes before they come back to see everything. And this little bugger has been a tough thing to figure out. We've gone back and forth. Originally, we were just gonna leave the wood color, and then it kind of felt like it didn't really tie everything together. So we came up with an idea, and we are going to cut some vertical pieces to line up with this diagonal, and then we're gonna paint it all white to match everything else. And I think that'll really tie in everything, and I'm really excited. So we're gonna take you through the process. So we had already cut this piece. It looks great, super excited. I'm still gonna caulk everything, but we'll do that after. And now I just have to measure out the rest of the vertical pieces. So let's get started. Let's just measure it just to make sure. I always say measure twice, cut it once. Yeah, yep, that worked. All right, let's get a line in there. Okay, then I think like right about here, we'll go this way this time. Okay. Every time. Works out good. Okay, so then I think I want them, I don't know, maybe like an inch wide. So I'll just a little hard. Let's make sure it's even. Okay, so I'll just draw the line. And then we'll 45 it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this out, cut the rest of them out, line them up, and then I'll put those up and then I'll line up some at the bottom. I think that'll look really nice. And I'll show you when all that's done. Brick. All right, I got it mocked up. I'm just finishing. I'm gonna tape everything off and then I'm gonna start gluing and she should be ready for painting. We ready?
We're ready.
I'm a little nervous.
I think they're gonna love it.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready. All right. How did you guys do this? This is amazing.
It looks beautiful.
All right, guys, we pulled up all that old flooring. We put some new flooring in for you. We redid the benches full of lots of storage inside, painted everything white to really lighten it up. We think this went right along with what you guys were hoping for. Wow, I love the floor. Like, where'd you guys find that? It's amazing. The benches look great. That really spruced them up.
I love it. It looks so farmhousey but modern. Oh, it's
amazing.
Like exactly what I envisioned, but better.
Yeah, you guys, wow. You guys are good at what you do.
Yeah.
I'm so glad we found you guys.
You know, this couch came with our RV and we really like it. It pulls out into a bed and
it's a nice couch.
It works for our family. So yeah, I'm glad you guys didn't get rid of it. I'm glad you guys didn't go spend extra money to get a newer couch.
Yeah, and I know we gave you guys a pretty big budget to work with, but this is smart not getting a new couch. Very smart.
Yeah. All right, guys, remember you were talking about how heavy and bulky that door was for the kids' room?
Oh, yeah.
We changed it out. I love it. Half the weight. Goodness. I love the color.
There's a picture. Oh,
yeah.
That's so awesome. And it's
and
half the weight. Awesome. We've had so much troubles with that support bar on that.
Yeah. I remember you saying that, Dustin. Yeah.
Yeah, you guys, man, you guys really knocked it out of the park.
Thanks.
The RV park.
I almost feel like more peaceful in here.
Yeah, and it's like you guys really get us. It's like we're on like the same frequency here.
Yeah.
All right, Sarah and Dustin. I know you guys love your TV, especially you, Dustin, but we didn't completely get rid of it. We just moved it to a different location in the RV. Here's what we did. We got rid of the TV. We added some shelves, some green to go with this door, this wall over here. The wood matches. I'm gonna miss the TV, but this is an amazing look. That's incredible.
The open shelves. Oh.
Look at all that countertop space you get, babe.
I know, I love it.
We added 2 outlets. Got rid of the shelf that was up here, the cabinet. And yeah, this is one of our favorite parts of the RV now. I hope you really like it. We were also able to add some hidden storage here. And over here, we were able to move your outlet to this side, added a nice big open face storage area. And then I was able to move the wall in a little bit and add these shelves.
Looks so good, you guys. And the outlet, man,
So much more useful there.
Holy cow! Oh wow, all of my parchment paper and pasta maker. Wow. All right, so I know you guys really didn't love the color of your cabinets, and we brightened them up so much. I'm so happy with this color, and it's held up really nice, and I think it'll hold up really well for you guys.
What color is that? Is that Chantilly lace?
It's not, it's alabaster. I'm surprised that you know that, Dustin.
Oh, I know a lot.
Oh man, you're taking over my job.
Cabinets look great.
Yeah.
They really added dimension.
You mentioned that you really like this wallpaper, so we took down the old, replaced it with brand new, and I think it looks really nice. Yes, I love the wallpaper. Yeah, I'm so glad you kept it.
Looks
And
amazing.
it's wallpaper, and so your weight hardly went up at all.
Awesome. You know how we are, we're very self-conscious about our weight.
Yes, I know. I've heard you talk before. All right, so we did paint these, and they did not turn out how we were thinking. So we went,
it's like a quartz marble-y look. Very cool.
Yeah.
Classy, just like us.
That's what we were going for. So unfortunately, you're gonna have to keep these because it'll probably be a lot of work to rip that up.
That's fine. I like it.
Yeah, it's, you know, your foyer area, so it should be a little different. And there you have it.
Wow, you guys, I mean, this is amazing. We cannot thank you guys enough. You and D Money really did an amazing job.
Yeah.
And I can't believe you guys did it. This would have taken us months to do if we had to do it.
Yeah, and you have 3 kids. There is no way that we could have done this with kids in here. I mean, it was just a mess, chaos the whole time.
I'm so glad you guys were available for hire.
Yeah, us too. Yeah, I'm glad we could help you out there. Thanks, RV Makeover.
You really changed our lives.
For the
Obviously the better. Yeah, we do have our own merch line. These are some of our shirts. We also have some non-Blues Traveler apparel. Check it out. Link in the description. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this one a thumbs up. Share it. You know the drill. Stay tuned. We have our full tour coming soon. You don't want to miss that one.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Milli Vanilli style. Oh, she busted through the wall. Our new wall.
Okay, which one of you threw a baseball at it? Raise your hand.
I did.
Yeah. Sarah, I think I'm going to bake you a pie with all this new countertop space.
Stop.
I think I am.
No,
Don't tempt me. I'll do it. I'll make it. I'll bake it.
Oh, man. Cherry, please.
Cherry? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I was thinking pumpkin, but we'll try
Well,
cherry.
it's not fall, so.